Chapter 3. Addition without carrying over. Moni has 3 purses each, containing 100 beads. Deepu has 5 such purses. How many purses altogether? 8 purses. How many beads altogether in the purses with Moni and Deepu? 800 beads. If Moni has 2 100-rupee notes, 1 10-rupee note and 5 1-rupee coins, and Deepu has 1 100-rupee note, 3 10-rupee notes and 2 1-rupee coins, how many 100-rupee notes do they have altogether? Number of 100-rupee notes Moni has 2. Number of 100-rupee notes Deepu has 1. Total number of 100-rupee notes 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. They have 300-rupee notes altogether. How many 10-rupee notes and how many 1-rupee coins do they have altogether? Number of 10-rupee notes Moni has 1. Number of 10-rupee notes Deepu has 3. Total number of 10-rupee notes 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. They have 4 10-rupee notes altogether. Number of 1-rupee coins Moni has 5. Number of 1-rupee coins Deepu has 2. Total number of 1-rupee coins 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. They have 7 1-rupee coins altogether. Observe the examples based on the pictures. Complete them by adding units to units, tens to tens, and hundreds to hundreds. 100s, 2 tens, 1 units plus 2 hundreds, 1 tens, 3 units is equal to 3 hundreds, 3 tens, 4 units. Look at the pictures and write the numbers. Add the numbers. 100s, 1 tens, 2 units plus 2 hundreds, 1 tens, 5 units is equal to 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 7 units. Carry out and observe the following additions. 54 plus 20 is equal to 74. 20 plus 54 is equal to 74. 70 plus 8 is equal to 78. 8 plus 70 is equal to 78. 75 plus 13 is equal to 88. 13 plus 75 is equal to 88. Study the following addition carried out in the horizontal arrangement. Add in horizontal arrangement. 527 plus 261. 5 hundredths, 2 tenths, 7 units plus 2 hundredths, 6 tenths, 1 units is equal to 7 hundredths, 8 tenths, 8 units. 623 plus 215. 6 hundredths, 2 tenths, 3 units plus 2 hundredths, 1 tenths, 5 units is equal to 8 hundredths, 3 tenths, 8 units. 203 plus 302 is equal to 5 hundredths, 0 tenths, 5 units. Addition of 3 numbers. Add. Example 1. Maya bought an eraser for 2 rupees, a pencil for 3 rupees and some colored chalks for 4 rupees. How much should she pay the shopkeeper altogether? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Rupees 2 for the eraser and rupees 3 for the pencil together make rupees 5. When we add the rupees 4 for the chalks to this rupees 5, we will get rupees 9. 2 and 3 makes 5. 5 and 4 makes 9. Thus, rupees 2 plus rupees 3 plus rupees 4 is equal to rupees 9. So, Maya should give the shopkeeper 9 rupees. In the cupboard, there are 3 song books, 21 story books, and 14 picture books. How many books are there in the cupboard altogether? 2 tenths, 1 units, plus 1 tenths, 4 units, plus 3 units is equal to 3 tenths, 8 units. 21 plus 14 plus 3 is equal to 38. There are 38 books in the cupboard.